guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a bunch of random things. The first thing I wanted to get done is clean out my drawers in our bedroom. They are so stuffed I can't even open and close the drawers. I mean, it's like you can see it's hard to get in there. Like I can't even open the drawer without possibly breaking it. So I realized it's time that I give that a good old KonMari method and clean through all the shirts. I've even got shirts up here because I can't even fit them in my drawer. So that's how I know that this has become a problem and I've got to get that cleaned. I then have to clean out the refrigerator and just kind of clean the shelves and give it a good deep clean. And then if I have time, I have a foster puppy that really needs a bath. I know I've said it in previous videos that I work at an animal shelter. We also foster a lot of doggos. So we've got a foster puppy right now that is he just needs a bath. So if I've got time to accomplish all of those, I'm gonna feel very good about my day. If not, we'll see what I can get through. So make sure you stay tuned and let's just get on into cleaning. So these are my drawers. I can barely open them. And you can hear that cracking. It makes me really nervous. So we've got two drawers. Actually, this top one is Sean's, and he's gonna go through his too. His aren't nearly as bad. So he has these top three, and then I have the bottom two. So I'm just gonna go through these two drawers and hopefully get it so I can at least open and close them without breaking my dresser. So as I start cleaning out my dresser and doing the best KonMari method that I can, I just wanted to take a minute and introduce myself. My name is Sydney. This is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I am a mom of a beautiful 3-year-old daughter. I am a fur mom of 3 handsome boys, and I have an amazing husband, and I put out videos that hopefully inspire you to keep your home clean and organized. And every once in a while we do vlogs so you can stay up to date with what's going on in our family, and I'd love to have you support my channel. If you enjoy this video or want to see more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and all of the support means the world to me and my family. I didn't have, the majority of the shirts in this drawer are actually work shirts. So I use those, and then I have a big collection of tank tops because when it's summer out, I love tank tops. They are my favorite thing to wear throughout the summer. So I don't have a whole lot. I mean, I am getting rid of, a good pile of clothes here. And then also in this drawer were some clothes that didn't belong in this drawer that actually needed to be hung up. I also had shorts in this drawer which didn't belong there. So I did, purge a little bit of stuff. So let's just go ahead and get these things put back into the drawer. Really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if oh, it's still jammed packed, but at least it closes, it opens, everything is folded. Clearly, I like gray. I'm noticing that. So again, all of these are work shirts that I will wear, and then these are my tank tops. So I had a little bit more room to fit them in this way. So yeah, that was done. Now we just have our pant drawer, which honestly, my pants drawer isn't terrible. At least it opens and closes. I just need to reorganize the way these are folded in here. So high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down. Okay, so these are all my gym pants, leggings and things like that. And I've got shorts in the back, and then these are my shorts and my pajama pants. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go and put my jeans and hang them up in the other closet. So this is actually what I ended up parting with. So still a pretty good pile, more than I started with in the day, and some overstuffed drawers. Now we're moving on to the fridge, and it desperately needed a deep clean for spring. Having 3 dogs and a toddler, and sometimes more dogs because we do foster, things just get messy. I mean, I just have to stay on top of them. So I'm going to clean out the fridge. I realized that we had quite a few eggs, so I went ahead and put some on the stove to boil those. We were going to use some for egg salad and then just some boiled eggs as good to-go snacks. And then I went ahead and pulled everything out of the door first, and I got that done. And once that was done, then I moved into the actual shelves. What you're seeing here is Winston. He is my shadow. He has to be with me no matter where I am. And I do have to say, you are going to see some tails and puppies playing throughout the rest of this video. The day I filmed this, it was pouring down rain. It was just, oh, it was awful. There was mud everywhere in the backyard. They had just come in from being outside, so we do baby gate them in the kitchen until their paws are super dry, and then they can go in the rest of the house. But because I was filming in here, I just let them hang out with me, and they didn't mind it. But you will see Winston's head kind of just hanging out. I will also have to apologize for his appearance. We are getting ready to do his summer cut, which is a 2-day process for me. I will shave the first part of his body, and then the following day I will do his feet, because it takes way too long and things happen in between that I have to stop. So he's kind of looking a little raggedy today, but I promise the next video you see, his feet will be all cleaned up and he won't look like a ragamuffin. I am going to go through and just check the expiration dates on all of the condiments. I don't know about you, but for some reason, condiments seem to get forgotten, and you'll have things in there that have been in there for way too long. I found some, what I believe to be apple cider vinegar. I don't even know. The label was somehow not on it. That expired last June. So this fridge definitely needed a good deep clean, and I cleaned out all the shelves and then got rid of anything that was expired.
And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me.
Now that the shelves are all cleaned out and sanitized, I'm going to go ahead and put those back into the refrigerator, and then put the items that belong in the shelves back into the fridge. One of my worries is, leaving things out for too long, and I know we're just cleaning the fridge. It's not going to take that long. Nothing's going to go bad, but it really bothers me just to have everything out on the counter, so I just want to get everything back in as quickly as possible. And then I'll move on to the inside of the fridge. And we do have some leftovers. Sean likes to get these variety packs to see if we can find the new best beer. So we're always getting variety packs, and they stay in the fridge forever because we either don't like them or, they're just not our favorites, but we're not going to get rid of them. So we do have quite a few beers at the moment, and it was just because he bought a variety pack to see if we could find a new beer that we liked. If you guys have any suggestions, random thought, for any beers that you guys like or you think that we should try, let me know in the comment section below. We don't drink all the time, but when we do, we want to enjoy ourselves and have a good beer. So let me know in the comment section below. There you're seeing our little foster pup's tail just a wiggling. He's a happy little guy. So back to the fridge. Look at all of this stuff. It's just, you have a bag of onions in the fridge for way too long. Things start to flake and get gross. So it was just a really good time to scrub everything down and take out all of the shelves and just, get all the gunk off of there. I love a clean fridge. It just makes me so happy. Are any of you guys like that? Are there things in your house that just make you so happy when they're nice and clean? let me know as well down below. Just wake up. Real life. Soph just woke up. I've got her situated on the couch. She's homesick. So anyways, I'm gonna get back. I'm almost done cleaning out the fridge. Then I'll put everything back in. I'm not gonna have time to do a bath with the foster puppy. But if you guys want to meet the puppy, let me know in the comment section below. Maybe I'll do a quick little get to know our new foster puppy. Okay, let's just, whoa, as I'm getting bumped by the big kids. Let's just get back into the cleaning. Now that the fridge is all cleaned out, it's time to go ahead and put everything back in. And I wanted to stop and say thank you so much again for stopping by my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sydney. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified when I come out with more videos. And thank you so much for all of your support. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.
Now